Imagine shrinking, 1 centimeter every second. At first you barely notice. 10 seconds in, you're a little shorter, feeling lighter, almost superhuman. But soon your clothes hang loose, your breath quickens, and your voice rises in pitch. After a minute, you're child-sized. The room feels colder, your metabolism races to keep you warm, your senses shift, high-pitched sounds become clearer, while deep rumbles fade away. The ceiling looms, doorways widen, and your home transforms into a vast, unfamiliar landscape. Every moment, your body adapts to a new scale, rewriting the rules you've always known. Even your perception of sound and temperature warps as you shrink. The world grows larger, stranger, and more daunting with every passing second. You're not just smaller, you're becoming something entirely new. The journey has only begun. How far will you go? 90 seconds in, you're under a meter tall. Your armchair is a mountain, the doorknob a heavy brass boulder. Your home is now a world of giants, every object a new challenge. At 2 minutes, you're smaller than most dogs. A breeze could topple you. The family cat is a prowling beast, its purr a thunderous rumble. At 2.5 minutes, you're squirrel-sized. Gravity's grip weakens. You could leap from a table and land unharmed. The floor stretches before you like a vast plain. Every step an adventure. At 3 minutes, you're just 10 centimeters tall, prey-sized. A cockroach is now a hulking creature. Dust specks are boulders, and the floor's texture becomes a rugged landscape. The familiar has become alien. Your home is now an unexplored planet. You are the tiniest, most fragile explorer in a world that no longer belongs to you, and you're still shrinking. 3 minutes in, you're the size of an ant. Floorboard grooves are trenches, carpet fibers a dense forest, air feels thick, every movement a struggle. Shrinking further, you're now a millimeter tall, smaller than a dust mite. Ants are towering monsters, your own breath a hurricane. Gravity fades, surface tension and static electricity rule. A drop of water could trap you, a charged lint could snatch you from the air. Your senses fail, sight blurs, sound vanishes, replaced by vibrations through the ground. You're no longer a human observer, but a part of the microscopic world. The rules of existence have changed. You must navigate not just objects, but the very forces of nature. The journey into the small is only getting stranger. 4 minutes in, you're 100 micrometers wide, the size of a human hair, invisible to the naked eye. In a drop of water, you meet amoebas and paramecia, creatures now your equals. Tardigrades lumber by, and mold spores form a towering forest. Shrinking further, you approach the size of light's wavelength. Vision dissolves into a blur, then darkness. Gravity is meaningless. Capillary action lets you walk up a water droplet. At 6 minutes, you're the size of a single cell, floating among red and white blood cells. Inside a cell, organelles are now furniture-sized, the nucleus a massive sphere. The air is a storm of molecules, battering you in random Brownian motion. You're lost in a world of living machinery, where even bacteria are giants. The microscopic world is vast, alien, and teeming with life, and you're still shrinking. Now you're smaller than a cell slipping through its membrane. The nucleus looms, DNA spirals like a vast library, ribosomes churn out proteins before your eyes. At 10 nanometers, you're in the realm of molecules. Water is a lattice of vibrating H2O, proteins are intricate sculptures. You're smaller than a virus, witnessing the building blocks of life. At a nanometer, you're the size of large atoms. Your body is just a handful of atoms stacked together. Sight is gone. Touch is a fuzzy resistance, the edge of an atom's electron cloud. The world is a vibrating grid of nuclei and electrons, vast emptiness between them. You could slip through solid matter, lost in the atomic lattice. You're no longer an object but a participant in the dance of matter. Your identity blurs as you approach the fundamental scale of existence. The boundary between you and the universe is vanishing. 10 minutes in, you're the size of a single atom. Classical physics breaks down. You enter the quantum realm. You're a haze of probabilities, no longer a solid being. Senses are meaningless. No light, no sound, no touch. You're a handful of particles, governed by uncertainty and energy. An X-ray photon would be a cataclysm, shattering your fragile structure. You're a fleeting whisper in the quantum foam, indistinguishable from the matter around you. Your atoms dissolve, becoming part of the universe's energetic soup. You don't die. You merge with the fabric of reality itself. The journey ends, from a universe of cells to a particle in the cosmos. You are no longer the explorer, you are the destination.